tree trimmer pay will shock you. One of the most high-paid skilled trades in America.
What you talking about, Willis?
Because while millions of people are drowning in student loan debt and stuck in low-paying jobs they hate, there are tree trimmers across this country quietly making serious money doing work most people are too scared to even try. Stay with me because the numbers, the demand, and the opportunity in this trade are going to open your eyes and blow your mind. What's going on, everybody? My name is JV Charles and this is BigPay Trades. I've spent over 30 years in the skilled trades working alongside electricians, welders, linemen, heavy equipment operators, and yes, tree trimmers. This channel exists for one reason, to help you find the right skilled trade so you don't waste years of your life and tens of thousands of dollars chasing a college degree that leads to a low-paying job, lame job, mountain of debt, and all that. If you want real skills, real income, and real job security, you're in the right place. Now let's talk about tree trimming. What most people get wrong about tree trimmers. When most people hear the words tree trimmer, they picture a guy with a chainsaw cutting branches on the weekend. They think it's unskilled labor. They think it's seasonal work. They think it doesn't pay well. That assumption is costing people a lot of money. Professional tree trimming is a highly skilled trade that combines technical knowledge, physical ability, safety training, and extreme responsibility. You're not just cutting wood, you're managing weight, tension, leverage, gravity, and risk in real time. One wrong cut can destroy a house, take out power lines, or even end your life. That's why professionals in this trade are paid what they're paid. And this is why trimming is a high-paid skilled trade. Tree trimming pays well for three main reasons. It's dangerous. Second, it requires real skill and experience. And third, very few people are willing to do it. Tree trimmers regularly work 50 to 100 feet in the air. They operate chainsaws while suspended by ropes. They remove massive limbs that can weigh thousands of pounds. They often work inches away from live electrical lines. This is not work you can learn from a YouTube video on a weekend, that's for sure. It takes training, discipline, and a respect for the craft. And when risk and skill go up, the pay follows. That's how skilled trades work. Let's break down the tree trimmer's pay. This really shocks people. The money. Entry-level tree trimmers, usually called ground crew, often start between $20 and $30 an hour. No degree, no experience required. Paid training, and yes, it can get hot depending on where you are in the country. That already puts you ahead of a lot of college graduates making that kind of money. And as you gain experience and move into climbing roles, the pay jumps significantly. Experienced climbers commonly earn between $35 and $60 an hour. That's $70,000 to well over $120,000 a year working for someone else. And that's before overtime, storm work, or specialty jobs. Now, let's talk about the owner-operators, where the big money's at. Tree service business owners routinely charge $1,500 to $5,000 per day per crew. Storm cleanup can double or triple those rates in no time. Emergency calls are premium priced.
That's awesome! I know!
I've personally seen small tree companies with one or two crews clearing $300,000 to $700,000 per year. No college degree, no student loans, and no corporate boss. Storms are where tree trimmers really separate themselves. When hurricanes, tornadoes, ice storms, or heavy wind events hit, trees come down everywhere. Roads are blocked, homes are damaged, and power is out. Tree trimmers become emergency responders, and insurance companies need work done immediately. Cities need roads cleared fast. Utility companies, they need power restored. And this work cannot wait. When demand is urgent and supply is limited, rates skyrocket. Tree trimmers can earn in a few weeks what some people make in an entire year. This isn't hype, that's reality. And here's something most people don't realize, the massive shortage that no one talks about. America has a serious shortage of skilled tree trimmers. For decades, young people were told that trades were dirty, dangerous, and beneath them. They were constantly pushed towards college, regardless of cost or outcome. Now we have millions of people with degrees they don't use and no practical skills. Meanwhile, the average age of skilled tradesmen keeps rising. Tree service companies across the country are desperate for reliable workers who are willing to learn. The shortage drives wages up. That's simple economics. So let's talk tree trimming versus college. Let's compare the two paths honestly. The college path, 4 years of your life, $50,000 to $150,000 in debt. Entry-level pay around $40,000 to $50,000 if you can find a job. And you're usually highly replaceable with little leverage. Now, the tree trimming path. Immediate paid training, zero student loan debt, skills you own, high demand everywhere, clear path to business ownership. One path starts behind you financially, the other pays you while you learn. Here's what a real day on the job looks like. Tree trimming is physical work. You still sweat, you will be tired, and you will be challenged, but you will also see the results of your work immediately. You'll build confidence, you'll earn respect, and this is not a job where you sit in a cubicle pretending to be productive. This is real work that matters. Professional tree trimming is extremely safety focused. You learn rope systems, harnesses, rigging techniques, cutting angles, and clear communication. Companies invest heavily in safety because accidents are costly and deadly. If you take the trade seriously and respect the danger, you can build a long, well-paid career. So how do you get started? Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1, apply to a local tree service company, utility contractor, or municipal crew. Show up early, be reliable, be coachable. That alone puts you ahead of most applicants. Step 2, learn everything you can. Ask questions, practice, take pride in improvement. Step 3, specialize. Climbing, crane work, storm response, utility line clearance, whatever's good for you. Specialization equals higher pay. So this is why tree trimming is recession proof. When the economy slows down, trees don't stop growing. Storms don't stop happening, and power lines still need to be cleared. Insurance claims still need to be handled. In recessions, white-collar workers panic. Skilled trades keep working. Tree trimming is essential infrastructure work, and that's job security. And here's the business opportunity. Tree trimming is one of the best trades for starting a business. Strong demand, repeat customers, insurance work, municipal contracts, emergency pricing. All you need is one truck, one crew, and one solid reputation. You don't need a corporate ladder to succeed. But this is why most people ignore this trade, because it's not glamorous. There's no suits, no offices, no social media clout. Tree trimmers don't brag, they work, and they get paid. On a final note, here's a message to you young folks. If you're young and watching this, listen carefully. You do not need a degree to be successful. You need a valuable skill. Tree trimming is one of the fastest ways to build income, independence, and confidence. Don't let anyone shame you out of a good life. If you're stuck in a dead-end job, it is not too late. I've seen people in their 30s, 40s, and even 50s completely change their lives through skilled trades. Your past doesn't matter. Your willingness to learn does. Tree trimmers, they're not lucky. They're paid well because they do difficult work that matters. They master real skills that will always be valuable. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe to BigPay Trades. If you want more honest breakdowns of high-paid skilled trades, share this with someone drowning in college debt or stuck in a low-paying job. And comment below the words "Trade Life" if you're ready to stop playing it safe and start building real income. This is JV Charles, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.